welcome to ARS Buddies. Today I'm going to read a book called Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Gerald! He's in a play mode. What do you want to do today? I want yes. What? A ball, a swim, a hat. Chew! Oh, look at her. Sniff. Are you okay? He's not feeling well. I do not know. Achoo! Here she goes again. Cannot stop. Achoo! Uh-oh. Sneezing. Oh no! Look at her. What if he's wondering something. What if pigs make me sneeze? She looks confused. Achoo! She's flying. His sneezes are really strong. What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. She's got hurt. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Uh-oh, look at her. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. He's starting to cry. But Gerald, no, do not speak. He's closing her mouth. It's too late. Chew. Goodbye. Gerald. Uh-oh. He cannot be friends with her. Huh? Dr. Cat. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. He's surprised. And Piggy is a pig. He's taking out something. A pot. Yeah. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. He's opening his eyes one by one. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. What? Piggy, great news. He's running to tell Piggy I was sick. I have a cold. Good for you. The end. Good thing that Gerald understands that he did not get the sneezes from Piggy, his friend, or Dr. Cat. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the book. Bye. Bye.